Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today I am headed back to the mall because on Saturday I did see these sneakers already sitting on the shelf. Their official release date for these are May 9th, if I'm not mistaken, which will be Friday. But as you guys can see on the screen, the Nike Diamond Turf 96 letter to Connie. These shoes are paying homage to his mom. Of course, Mother's Day is right around the corner. And there's a little bit of added nice flavor to these sneakers for any moms out there that is into sneakers and stuff like that. So I do want to show you guys kind of an early look, but they did drop today on some other websites like Sneaker Politics, Shoe Palace, and again, they did have them sitting on the shelf. And this happens sometimes, especially with your Nike retros. They tend to just sit these things on the shelf early. They don't care about any official release calendar date, but they don't do them with Jordans though.
Nope.
But before we get off into this content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, let's go up in this mall and let's see what we can see. Let's go.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I...
All right, y'all. So just like I said, I did see these sitting up in here, but as you guys can see right here, we have the Air Max 96 Diamond Turfs. These are a special edition paying homage to his mom. Letter to Connie Sanders, if I'm not mistaken. All red joints, as you guys can see right there. I do think that these things gonna bleed. So like you see how the Nike swooshing right there, I can see like this material and stuff bleeding. So just an FYI, but they do have some special features on these things that I do want to show you guys that's outside of the normal sneaker. And then I'll get you guys the box as well, but let's go ahead and talk about some of these special features. All right, so check it out, y'all. Up on the inside of the sneaker, we have right here, it says, "Always be yourself." This is a quote that she used to tell Deion when he was little, just to always be original. Probably the reason why he is cocky as he is. You feel what I'm saying? Gotta have those parents that support you. But all in all, Mother's Day, if you got moms that's in the Keeks, like especially retros, I think these would be a good one. But you guys see right here, we have the red strap on them with the white Nike swoosh, the Diamond Turf logo on the front. Material is cool on the toe box, as you guys can see right there. Mesh netting. Go all the way up. Only one set of laces in these things. It's got the pink around the Nike swoosh right there on the top of them. Red air unit on the back. Deion's face on the bottom. White Nike swoosh, and then the big Nike swoosh right there, man. But let me go ahead and show you guys the box. But as you guys take a look at it, comment down below and let me know if this. I think this shoe gonna actually sit, man. But y'all let me know what y'all think. All right, y'all. So here's the box. It's nothing special about the box. Just like a Jordan 12 box. Nike swoosh right there. We're gonna open them up just to show you guys here, and that's it, man. The sneaker once again, bro. Y'all let me know, man, what y'all thoughts and opinions about these letter to Connie joints. Mother's Day Diamond Turf 96s, man. That's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the sense, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these, just better. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got